One side says soldiers were captured. Officials say they were killed in action. Two opposite claims.
A solemn ceremony. Flag draft coffins arriving. A nation mourning.
Alex Carter. Iran claims soldiers alive. Pentagon says dead. This is the information war.
A powerful political voice in Iran's security establishment.
The Iranian regime is doing everything it can to peddle lies and deceive. This is yet another clear example.
CENTCOM said lies twice. Zero specifics given. Full denial names every soldier. This didn't.
The wording matters. The claim was reported, not confirmed.
In interviews, the leader dismissed the claim and said the conflict was going in his country's favor.
Previous claims during conflicts have often been disputed or unverified. Even if false, Iran wins. Domestic morale, international sympathy, war crimes implication, all free.
Why would America hide POWs? Political cost. Negotiation leverage. It has happened before.
Both sides have perfect reasons to say exactly what they said. Information war.
Evin Prison, Tehran's most notorious jail. Political prisoners since 1972. War zone now.
James W. Foley Foundation confirmed 6 Americans in Evin. Bombs broke prison windows. Urgent.
Among the detained is a journalist whose family is seeking help.
Kamran Hekmati, Jewish American from Long Island. Bladder cancer, no treatment, Evin Prison.
Afarin Mohajer, California resident. Arrested for one social media post. Trapped in war zone.
Reporter. Jeweler with cancer. California woman who posted online. All in Evin, now.
Moments like this are extremely frightening for families.
Israel warned residents to evacuate streets near Evin. Prison windows shattered from blast waves.
What if a strike accidentally hits Evin? Americans killed by American bombs.
An Iranian prison.
Nobody is asking, what if we accidentally bomb Evin? That question should terrify everyone.
Iran's documented history, Western detainees as leverage, 1979. Levinson. Every nuclear deal. 6 Americans in Evin, Iran's most powerful ceasefire chip. Release equals bombing pause.
Families watching this war on TV, knowing their son is in that prison.
Right now.
White House, zero public statement about 6 Americans in bombed Evin prison.
Zero.
Pentagon fighting information war. 6 Americans in danger. White House silent. Nobody connecting this.
Vietnam. Pat Tillman. Jessica Lynch. America has covered war truths before. Documented.
Both sides have documented histories of managing war information. Neither is innocent here.
Enohead Brigade, elite mountain fighters. U.S. Special Forces operating nearby. Could capture happen? If confirmed in, Trump's war support collapses. Geneva Convention activates. Everything changes.
While ceremonies continue, public opinion about the conflict remains divided.
Majority against war. 6 dead. POW unresolved. 6 in Evin. White House silent.
Conflicts bring heavy human costs on all sides.
One incident became the focus of intense international debate.
In conflicts like this, the information war can be just as intense as the battlefield.
3 futures wars. Iran lied, Evin strike kills Americans, or Iran holds real POWs.
One possibility, the claim simply fades as the war continues.
Another risk, Qatl. Accidental casualties during active military operations.
A third possibility to Pazingif. Detainees become leverage in negotiations.
Information war on top. Real Americans in danger below. Political futures at stake underneath.
600 Iranian missiles fired. 2,600 drone attacks. 1 week. The battlefield where this happened.
CENTCOM destroyed. Command centers, air defense, missile sites, airfields. Systematically. All week.
2 wars running simultaneously. Iran's war for their people. America's war for the world.
Information war is not separate from the physical war. It is the real war. Simultaneously.
No independent journalists in Iran. No Red Cross access yet. Verification tapen structurally impossible now. Truth usually emerges through Red Cross access, body repatriation, or ceasefire talks. Weeks away.
When truth emerges next, we will be first. Subscribe. Bell on. POW update coming.
Trump hasn't ruled out ground troops. If deployed to Afarin, Larijani's POW claim becomes credible.
One confirmed American POW in Iran could end this presidency and this war. One soldier.
If POW is confirmed, Geneva Convention activates.
Humane treatment. Red Cross access.
Iran must comply. U.S. and Israel weighing uranium raid, 11 bombs worth. Special forces capture risk.
Special forces near Iranian nuclear sites. Larijani's POW claim. Connect those 2 dots.
Trump must acknowledge the 6-inch Evin. Demand Red Cross access. Minimum. Now.
While America fights Iran, China signed a $5 billion drone deal with Saudi Arabia. Positioning.
America is fighting Iran's information war. China is signing deals. Every day, this costs America.
This week point, ceasefire talks begin, ground troops deploy, or stalemate with Evin in danger.
Claim may be false. Danger is real. 6 Americans in Evin cannot wait for resolution.
Evin has a dedicated foreign nationals section. Namazi father and son both held simultaneously. Families and advocacy groups continue raising concerns about detainees and their health during periods of political tension.
Past detainee cases are often cited by analysts as examples of how diplomatic negotiations eventually lead to releases.
Tasnim, IRNA, Press TV, state media echo chamber. Larijani's claim follows their exact doctrine.
NO Haiti Brigade, mountain warfare, deployed near nuclear sites. Capture capability is real.
One historical case involving an American who disappeared in Iran remains one of the most widely discussed unresolved incidents.
1979, 52 Americans, 444 days, ended Carter's presidency. History is watching this very carefully.
Final numbers, all verified. The POW controversy Tandy, by the numbers.
Next to him. America is burning weapons faster than building them. China has the count.
Subscribe. POW truth coming. Evin update daily. Bell on. Here first. Always.
In interviews, political leaders often dismiss opposing claims, while analysts examine how those remarks influence global narratives.
How will the recent escalation impact regional stability, particularly regarding the oil supply?
Day 9. 600 missiles.
Hezbollah entered. Israel struck Beirut hotel. 330,000 displaced. War is expanding beyond Iran.
Ex-US Air Force pilot arrested for training China during the Iran war. Timing, explosive. Uranium seizure raid, 11 bombs worth. Special forces deep inside Iran. Capture risk maximum.
Statements about limiting attacks can sometimes signal attempts to reduce regional escalation during conflict.
Same Larijani claimed 500 dead. Pentagon confirmed 6. Zero evidence ever. POW claim, same pattern.
Conflicting claims often appear during wartime. Determining what is accurate takes time and verification.
Al Jazeera leads with claim. Western media dismisses. Same story, Pori, completely different worlds.
Foley Foundation, named for journalists beheaded by ISIS 2014. Now fighting for 6 Americans.
Conflicts bring significant human cost, affecting civilians, families, and entire societies.
Real proof means Red Cross access, names, ranks, proof of life with date. None provided.
Assembly secrets. POW truth coming. Daily coverage. Every development. Here first.